Okay, so I've got another homeowner special here. This guy contacted me because he wanted his tile floor done in his living room here, or his great room, or whatever you want to call it. And he told me what he did, and it was bad. And now I'm here looking at it, and it's a lot worse than I thought it was. So what he had here was half-inch plywood subfloor, no tongue and groove, because half-inch doesn't come in tongue and groove as far as I know. And then he added a 1/4 inch, looks like Luan plywood on top. And he's got like a screw every 18 inches, and essentially really looks like Luan, but I don't know. That's really bad. But anyway, so he cemented it down, and because it's a 1/4 inch, what happened is it's all buckling underneath. I don't know if you can see that. I'm stepping on here, there's going to be like a 1/2 inch buckle there. And the whole floor is like that. So basically this whole floor in this area here has to all come out. Plywood, subfloor, go down to the joist, and then install 3/4 inch subfloor, and then tongue and groove, and then install the Ditra on top of that, and then we can tile it. I went downstairs, I looked at the joist structure. It looks okay. It might be borderline, but I think it's fine. I'll check a little bit better in a little while. It's a total gut. So the moral of the story is, if you're going to install a product that you're not familiar with, make sure that you research it and get all the instructions and all the details that you need to do it successfully. But it goes beyond that, because it's not just the product you're installing, it's also what it's going over. You have to make sure that the substrate is suitable for the product you're using. So here we have a worst case scenario. We have an undersized subfloor that's completely unsuited to this installation of tile or any underlayment. And then the problem is compounded by installing a very thin layer of plywood that is not suitable for tile in any way. This is an expensive mistake, but he did the right thing. He stopped, he got some help to find out what's going on, and now we can save some money by doing it properly.